Trap Red with a Trap Red video on the Honda Civic 1998 P0505 code. How you doing? Look, I found the problem. For all you guys out there that are stumped about this P0505 IAC code with the intake air control problem, it's all caused with this needle valve right here. See this needle valve? That's the cold air idle adjust right here. If I turn this in, it will lower the idle. Watch. See? You right about like that, straight up. That would be about 750, close to it. And I took this whole throttle body apart. I cleaned it. This was dirty as hell, causing all the problems. The other thing is see, this is the idle air control motor and assembly. I changed this $123. Wasn't the problem though. Was not the problem. This is the throttle position sensor, and it's fixed into the throttle body. You can't remove these. They're calibrated. So if these are broken off, then the unit's no good. You got to get another one. Check all these fittings, make sure they're tight. You got a water intake from the radiator right here, and it passes through the throttle body and comes out the other side. You can't see it. It's down in there. The other hose down in there, and it senses the water temperature, which it feeds to this. And this opens and closes according to water temperature, not air pressure or whatever anybody's thinking. This right here is your throttle adjust, obviously, and your throttle cable. And don't mess with this if you have it set up already. What you want to do is you want to adjust this to the proper setting. But that will lower your idle and bring you into range on the limitations. Look, we're not even throwing that 505 code anymore. Here you look, see the idle? Here's the idle. Idle sitting right there where it's supposed to, about 750. Really steady. There's no air code. It's not throwing an air code. No DTs. Look. No powertrain DTs or freeze frame data presently stored. Now if we press this, they try to get temporaries. If it was throwing it, it would come up. But watch. Nothing. Zippo. So we fixed the problem. That's the mysterious 505 problem. So if you have a 505 code, and your check engine light would be coming on. We were throwing our check engine light on in a couple of minutes. It's warmed up now for about 5 minutes. It's idle and rock steady, as you can hear it. No vacuum leak anymore. So the vacuum leak was caused by two things: dirty idle valve, needle valve, and also leaking gasket around the throttle body. So I took some RTV and I RTV'd it up. Cleaned up the throttle body throat, took all the carbon out of it with a toothbrush and some gas and cleaned it all up and hooked it back up. It's running like a champ. So that's it.